Hey y'all, so today we are going to be experimenting with a new way of removing some old glue from this snare drum. This is a Mapex My Identity shell that we're going to be working with today. We've got our sander down here, our belt sander, and we're going to give that a go, see how aggressive this paper is on here. This is how we figure stuff out as we experiment with drums that we've got. Got a whole slew of defunct shells and things around the wood shop here to really dial in those processes. So we're going to try this one out today and see how we like it. See maybe if we can avoid some of that painstaking hand work. But we'll see what wins the day, and yeah, give it a shot. Okay, so this combination kind of worked great. Belt sander with a very tough grit knocks all that surface glue off. If you have a wrap that you're taking off and the glue sticks up in more of a modern rewrap drum, it's way tackier and crazier than a vintage drum. Sometimes glues just pop off like nothing. Other times you can ball it up like this with your finger. Sometimes you need to you can go the chemical route, which I don't like to take. I like to physically work with the wood. I don't like dumping a bunch of harsh chemicals on drums. Just a preference of mine, but yeah, this will knock off that top surface level glue. And then I went over it by hand just to see and to smooth things out. And then I grabbed the old electric sander there, and that worked out great too, to just bring it down with a finer paper on there and get it ready for the next step of the process. I'm not looking to take this down to the raw wood, just so you guys know. This isn't glue or anything. This is a weird, gnarly DIY stain job that happened in a previous life of this drum. You can even see where, right inside of here, where is he? Right here. That's where he grabbed the drum while he was working on it. Whoever did this, so I'm not worried about that. I want a nice even surface, which is what we're getting here. I don't need to take the Hoy down to bare wood. After all, we are rewrapping it, recovering this entire drum, so it's not necessary to do that. I have the exact perfectly smooth surface here that I can scuff up a little bit, like I did with the fine paper, and apply the new wrap, and this thing's gonna look good as new.